everyone, it's Reagan at Gateway Toyota, and today I'm here with our shop foreman, Doug Dixon. Does the 16,000 kilometer oil change actually work for Alberta winter driving?
So one of the most common comments that I get are that the 16,000 kilometer or 1 year service interval just seems a little bit too long compared to what we're used to in the past. While it is true that modern engine technology and oil technology itself have greatly increased the durability, there are certain cases where you may want to change the oil early. One of those may be a vehicle that's used excessively for towing, hot environments, or excessive idling, such as when you're on a job site. Another example may be even on a family vehicle, where the vehicle is used primarily for short trips and not given an opportunity to warm up completely, especially in wintertime. Condensation can form in the motor oil and the crankcase system. What that can lead to, if the vehicles are never allowed to warm up fully, is for water to form in the oil pan and reduce oil pressure. Very rare, but in those cases you may want to change the oil early as well. If you have any questions, by all means call us here at Gateway Toyota and we will do our best to answer those questions for you.